In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Shattered Gold camo here in Black Ops 7 for the Ryden 45k. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and go into the gunsmith and go specifically to the customize tab and into your camo settings where you're going to select your multiplayer camos down at the very bottom. And these first 9 camos right here are essentially just going to be headshot camos. You do have to get 80 headshots total in order to make your way through all of these military camos. And this is probably the most tedious part of this entire camo set. You're going to want to play objective-based game modes focusing on hardpoint and domination, and small maps is really going to be where these SMGs do shine. Something like Hijacked or Nuketown when that comes out is going to be very, very helpful for you. But grind through these headshots by playing those objective-based game modes and sitting kind of outside of the objective and killing people as they do come in. And we can move on to our first special camo, which is the Diamondback camo. Essentially, in order to do this, you do have to get 50 eliminations without any attachments. This actually isn't too bad in order to knock out, because you don't really have to target anything in specific. I will say it does make the gun a little bit weaker, so you're going to be shooting people for a little bit longer. But once again, you could kind of use this exact same method of sitting outside of the hard point and the domination zones in order to rack up these 50 kills pretty quickly, and this should only take you like 1 or 2 games max. Next up, we have the Raptor camo. You do have to get 30 kills pretty much either while sprinting or immediately after sprinting. This is once again super easy. Play those objective-based game modes, sprint into them. This time you're going to want to play the objective, and you should be able to knock this out in 1 game. Put all your attachments back on. This one's super easy. Moving on to mainframe though, this is going to be getting a kill without taking any damage 30 times. This is not too bad either. Go back to this exact same method that we used to get these military camos. Camp outside the hard point or camp outside the zones in domination, and you'll be able to knock out the mainframe camo pretty quickly. You're going to have to camp a little bit though. This one is a little bit difficult. And speaking of difficult, this is supposed to be the hardest camo to get for this entire game, and it actually isn't. 3 kills without dying 10 times in order to unlock Shattered Gold is actually super easy to go and do. Just do the exact same method as the headshot ones. Camp outside the hard point or camp outside like B zone in domination, and you'll get these 3 kills pretty quickly. And this is probably one of the easier guns to get Shattered Gold on, since it is pretty good as well. But yeah, if you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.